training. You put on your spacesuit and your gloves and your helmet. Get your spaceship. Start the engine. Go straight ahead. Turn right. Turn left. You are happy. Suddenly you see a UFO. You out of the spaceship. You are floating on space. You are walking slowly. You get your spaceship one more time. You turn on the engine, you start the engine, and your speed of light. You arrive to the earth. And say hello to everyone.